Hi guys, here we are at Cromwell Lane level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe. Time now is... it's 17:59. Here we go. Got 3G, look. It's rare. Right, I think now we've got the northbound train. I'll just check the compass, see which way the routes are so I can tell you in the future. Because I'm not sure. Let's take a look, shall we? So switch it on. Let's go into compass. Now, we're north that way, look, see, N, and south's down there, and we're 357 degrees north. So we're heading, I think we should be northbound this time, the northbound way. It's coming from northbound, but heading southbound. So when I say heading north, coming from northbound, like it's up northbound way. So the light's still on amber, up northbound. So I guess we've got one coming from northbound heading down to southbound. Still got nothing coming. Obviously the light's on green to show the north track, sorry, the south track that there's coming, that you can go. Green light. So we've got, here it comes already. We've got a 43. Oh no, we've got a diesel. Grand Central. I wonder if it's still a 43. I don't know the class of this one, but I'll find out in a sec if it's a 43. This is going faster. We've got 43,423, and up they go. So it is a 43, guys. Thank you, I'll see you in the next video.